Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create a group in your Telegram account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Telegram account. Once you're there, you click on these three horizontal lines, after which you click on new groups. Once you're there, you simply need to choose the amount of person you want to add in your group. So in this Telegram account you can add about 20,000 members at once. So I'm going to add, let me say, just few, after which I'll click on what next. After that, you simply need to insert the Telegram group name. After that, you click on what done. So guys, we are just creating our Telegram group channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.